Good morning, students. Today is Terrific Tuesday, and the date is 21st July 2020. Yesterday, we discussed the topic of adverbs, and we learned how to compare adverbs. And yesterday, I gave you as homework to form the superlative and comparative of adverbs. So I'm sure आप सब ने उसको accurately complete किया होगा. This was the homework given to you yesterday. Alright, so this was the table you were supposed to complete. Now fill in the blanks for these. Badly, worse, worst. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. I'm sure आप सब ने इसको accurately complete किया होगा. Alright children, let's remember that how can we compare adverbs. You know that mostly adverbs end with ly. Some of the adverbs are regular and some of the adverbs are irregular. Alright, and sometimes we add more and most to form comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. For example, courageously, more courageously, most courageously. Fortunately, more fortunately, most fortunately. Fortunately means lucky. Alright, fortunately means lucky. Alright, so that's how we have completed the table. Now let's practice more with adverbs. We have here use an adverb instead of underlined words. There are few words which are underlined and we are asked to replace these underlined phrases with a suitable adverbs. Alright, so let's highlight these phrases first. With great care, in the soft way, in an angry manner, and on next page number 21 we have with great attention. So these are the phrases. Alright, let's write down the day first on the top. Today is Tuesday. Alright, 21st July 2020. Alright, so we are going to replace the phrases with a suitable adverb, and we will write that adverb in the bracket given opposite to these sentences. Let's read A. The boy lifted the injured child with great care. With great care means carefully. She spoke in a soft way to the child. Softly. In a soft way is replaced by the adverb softly. See, we have the man spoke in an angry manner. In an angry manner will be replaced by the adverb angrily. Alright. D, we have the children listened to their teacher with great attention. With great attention is replaced by the adverb attentively. Alright, the children listened to their teacher with great attention, attentively. With great attention is replaced by the adverb attentively. So let's recall which adverbs we have used here. First, carefully, then softly, angrily, and attentively. Alright, let's recall all of the adverbs so far we have learned. Sensibly, humbly, luckily, politely, leisurely. Leisure means when you have got some pastime, some free time, when you feel relaxed, right? Leisurely, terribly, early, fast, courageously, fortunately, good, badly, late, little, much, carefully, softly, angrily, attentively. Alright, these are all of the adverbs which we have learned on workbook page number 20. And so you have to learn all of the adjectives, right? All of the adverbs. आपने ये सब adverbs learn करने हैं with correct spellings. Alright, now we will practice with interjections. let's recall what are the interjections. Actually, interjections are the words which express some feelings, and they are always expressed by using a punctuation exclamation mark. Alright, so today we will revise interjections, and I would like you to open up your workbook page number 16. Alright, workbook page number 16 here, interjections. You have to find out the interjections in the following, and remember that they end with a special punctuation mark, and that is called exclamation mark. They are usually ended with an exclamation mark. Alright, so let's read the statements. On A we have, ouch, said the little girl when the ant nipped her finger. Ouch. Ouch is expressing some feeling of, hurt. This you know that interjections expresses feelings. They express the feeling of joyness, happiness, sorrow, right? Some kind of excitement. So these are different kinds of feelings, and they are expressed by using the punctuation of exclamation mark. Interjections express feelings. B we have, oh no, he did not forget the test again, did he? C, hey, put that down at once. This is command. D, we have, I don't know what you think, but goodness gracious, I don't believe a word he said. So let's mark the interjections in the given sentences. Ouch, oh no, hey, goodness gracious. So these are the 4 interjections we have highlighted in these sentences. Let's recall once again. Interjections are the words which express some feelings. They express feelings of sorrow, happiness, and delightful feelings. You know that on textbook page number 8, in previous lessons we discussed the topic of interjection. This is the 8th part of speech, and we discussed here the interjection is an exclamation word which show feeling, emotion, anger, and delight are called interjections. So that's how we have revised interjections as well. So it's time to look at the diary. Alright, today's diary is Learn Adverbs, workbook page number 20, and Interjections, workbook page number 16. You have to learn the examples of adverbs and interjections on the given workbook pages. Alright, so thank you very much. Look after yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video once again. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.